Nature boy turned city boy. Look at him with the gold chain, the stunners on. He started talking to a girl on live, and he was at the club that she works at last night. So he invited her to come up so they could talk about how they were turning up in the club. He has turned from day and night from what he was doing a couple months ago. Anyway, check out this quick clip, and you will either see me or hear me on my next video. Enjoy the remainder of your day. Bye-bye.
Oh, you see me in the club last night? Hey, yo. Yo, you said you see me in the club. Yo, hold on, come up. Yo, come up real quick. You see me last night? Yo, this lady said she seen us last night having a ball. Wait, you said you was there?
Yeah, I worked there. Look.
Oh, you worked there. Okay.
Oh wow.
That's the spot. Oh, you was. Oh,
we was swag surfing in that bitch. We had fun in that bitch. We was swag in that bitch.
Hey, you see me? Hey, they missed it. I said, look. I said they could have went live with me. We would have had a ball. It was.
We had fun last night. We had a good time.
Did y'all see? You seen us, right? I try to tell them. It was a blast.
I seen y'all having a good time.
To the reggae shit, had everybody watching us.
We had so much. Hey, when they turned the reggae on, it was over with. Like,
man, I'm like, damn, the coolest shit happened off camera. You feel me?
I was drinking, like we was fucked up. We was having it was a good night. Like
I didn't even why you ain't come up to me.
I was working, you know. I like to give people their space, let them do their thing. You know what I'm saying? You was having a good time. You was with your people. Like I let you do you, but I seen you on here, and I was like, hey, let me slide on here real quick and let them know I see him.
I told them it was lit last night, man. We was lit.